guys, or I should rather say good afternoon. It's about 1 o'clock, just past lunchtime. Yesterday I went to bed early, but I laid in bed awake until about 3 o'clock in the morning. And basically then this morning I passed out and only got up about 1.5 hours ago. In any case, today the huge preparation for our street food market begins again. Yes, protein banana pancakes for breakfast. Has anybody ever told you that you look like a fitness bee with your yellow shoelaces and your yellow top?
No, you're the first one.
The f you looking at, man? We just came to the hardware store to find the necessities that we need for the street food market. I think the garden center's over there. Maybe they got a tent we can use over there. Now, when I'm running around in Miami with this camera, it still happens that people give me a strange look. But it's become sort of normal. But here in Austria, the people look very scared by my filming. Randomly steal this ladder here?
Because there are no employees to help us out. Be careful. Ah, don't do that. Okay, we got it. We have a new tent.
Yes.
This car is very nice to look at, but it's not very practical. We have always struggles with...
We never have struggles. This car is awesome. Just because you dressed in IKEA colors doesn't mean that you can feel at home here. Check out this crazy lamp. Whoa.
You like the kitty pattern.
This is the most awesome curtain in the history of everything. Nelly is quickly ordering stuff for the coffee shop. I'm going to my parents' house real quick. Need to print out a few documents, water the plants for my parents, and then we are on our way back home.
This is the making of this vlog. Mike sitting in the car and flying the drone while I'm driving.
Okay, go before the police comes! For a second I thought the drone was going to crash in the car, so I'm gonna call this vlog Drone Phantom 4 crashes in this car. You won't believe what his girlfriend did next. What are we having for dinner tonight?
We are having Thai curry.
Finally made it to the coffee shop, and now I have to set up the coffee machine correctly. I need light. So a little while later, the espresso machine is adjusted as we need her, and the grinder is adjusted. It's all ready to go. Perfect. All right, are we done?
Oh, I think so. I'm so hungry.
For today at least. I hope I don't break my neck on the penny board. If you're enjoying today's vlog, hit that thumbs up button, and if you haven't subscribed, you guessed it, subscribe.
Thumbscribe.
Thumbscribe. Audio Jungle.